Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the beautiful ritual of Wudhu, the Islamic ablution. So grab a seat, relax, and let's dive into the details of this essential practice. Wudhu or ablution is a fundamental act of purification in Islam. It is performed before engaging in acts of worship such as salah, that is prayer, or reciting the Quran. Wudhu not only cleanses the body but also holds great spiritual significance, allowing us to enter a state of purity and readiness for prayer. Let's now walk through the step-by-step process of performing Wudhu. Remember, these steps should be followed in sequential order and completed thoroughly. Step 1. Intention. Begin by making a sincere intention in your heart, seeking Allah's pleasure and intending to perform Wudhu for the purpose of worship. Step 2. Saying Bismillah. Start by saying Bismillah, that is, in the name of Allah, signifying the beginning of this sacred act of purification. Step 3. Washing the hands. Next, wash your hands up to the wrist 3 times, making sure to cleanse between your fingers. This gesture represents the removal of impurities from our physical body. Rinsing the mouth and sniffing water into the nostrils is step 4. Take a small amount of water in your cupped hand and rinse your mouth 3 times, swishing the water around to cleanse the oral cavity. Then, using your right hand, sniff water into your nostrils and blow it out gently with your left hand. This action is known as istinja, ensuring cleanliness of the nasal passages. Step 5. Washing the face. With both hands, wash your face 3 times, starting from the hairline, including the forehead, down to the chin and from ear to ear. This thorough cleansing of the face symbolizes the purification of our sight and expressions. Step 6 will be washing the arms. Moving on, wash your right arm up to the elbow 3 times, ensuring every part is covered. Then repeat the same process for the left arm. This act of cleansing represents our willingness to perform good deeds with our hands and forearms. Step 7. Wiping the head. Now, moisten your hands and wipe them over your head, starting from the forehead, moving to the back of the head and returning to the starting point. This gentle wiping signifies the purification of our thoughts and intentions. Step 8. Wiping the ears. With the index fingers, wipe the inside of your ears using the wetness of your index fingers. Simultaneously, use your thumbs to wipe the back of the ears. This action symbolizes the purification of our hearing and reminds us to listen attentively to Allah's guidance. Step 9, that is washing the feet. Finally, wash your right foot up to the ankle 3 times, making sure to clean between the toes. Repeat the same for the left foot. This cleansing of the feet signifies our readiness to walk towards goodness and righteousness. MashaAllah, now you've learned the step-by-step process of performing Wudhu. Remember, this beautiful act of purification not only cleanses our physical bodies but also prepares our hearts and minds for the intimate connection with our Creator. Thank you for being the faithful listener. Do subscribe if you like listening about Islam and its teachings and to learn what actual Islam is. And also follow my page on Instagram at pious.nation. Thank you.